Welcome back, fam, to another episode of Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida, and today we're going to do these 4 modern glam Christmas trees DIYs. We're going to use totally dazzled brooches. They're going to be featured Dollar Tree items, Walmart items, and just crystals, different things that I wanted to make my Christmas trees out of. You can decorate yours how you want. It's all up to you. So guys, thank you for being a part of our Design on a Dollar family. And if you're not already a part of it, I do wish that you would consider joining. And you can do that by hitting the subscribe button and then hit that notification bell, and it'll tell you every time we upload. Also, like this video. Like, go ahead, hit the like button, And also, the last thing I would like for you to do is to share this video. Sharing is caring, and it doesn't cost you anything to become a part of our family, or it doesn't cost you anything to share. Just probably a minute of your time, 30 seconds or less. So now I'm going to show you how we decorate these trees. The first one, I am using glitter and blue and white beading, and so I am putting the glitter on first with the Mod Podge, and then I'm going to let it dry some, and then when I come back to put the beading on, I'm going to first start out with the Mod Podge, but the Mod Podge is going to be too runny, or I put too much on and the beading started to slide off. So I got the tacky glue, and the tacky glue worked much better. And you can also put hot glue on it and put your beading on that, but just be careful, because use a low setting gun so that your hot glue will not melt your Christmas tree. And so I'm also using some 377 spray. I'm using that because of the beading sliding off, because I have too much Mod Podge on it. But I'm going to switch over in a few minutes to the tacky glue right here. And the tacky glue is much better because it's thicker, and the beading grabs much better. So the topper for this tree, I use 4 small crystals and 1 medium size crystal, and I just made a crystal topper for it. I think it came out very beautiful. I love this tree. I can't tell which one is my favorite, so leave me a comment down in the comment section to let me know which one is your favorite, and also what you would decorate your Christmas trees with. And I would love to know what your Christmas colors for this season is going to be. I'm tossing around red, black, and white, and I know that's not all traditional colors, but that's what my heart is leaning on. But I don't know quite yet if that's what I'm going to do, but that's what I'm thinking I'm going to do. And this next Christmas tree probably is my favorite because it has the totally dazzled brooches all over it. So I did a pure gold, and I painted the whole Christmas tree in the pure gold. And then you're going to see me go back in after it dries, after the paint dries. And guys, I only use 1 coat of paint on all of the Christmas trees. And so now you're going to see me just use the hot glue gun to actually put the brooches all around the Christmas tree. And so I have gold ones, silver ones, and rose gold on the tree. So I really like the way this turned out. I think it's very sophisticated, very modern glam. Any glam girl will love this Christmas tree to be a part of their Christmas decor. So yeah, you can get your Totally Dazzled brooches from Natalie over at totallydazzled.com, and I have a link down in the description box where you can get a discount if you use that link. And I think you would be pleasantly surprised because their prices are awesome and you get a lot of bang for your buck. So yeah, I think this has to be my favorite so far. And then this one right here, as you can see, I'm painting it black, and it's going to be my beaded frosted tree. I'm going to use 3 different colors of beading. I'm going to use a gold, a silver, and an iridescent, and I'm going to wrap them around the Christmas tree once it dries. And it has some type of pattern. It has this beautiful pattern that starts to form when you're putting the beading on. You'll see it in just a minute. Right here, the pattern getting ready to start forming because you're going up with it. And so these are very easy to make, and they're very beautiful to make. Like I said, if you don't have these and you want to do it on a budget, you can use cardboard paper. Now guys, you probably can't see it up here, but I also have some iridescent glitter on this one as well, and it is gorgeous too. Now my next favorite has to be the last one. Between the brooches and the one that's coming up, those are my favorite. Now this is a pewter gray, and I'm painting this cone pewter gray. And what you don't, I guess I lost the footage, but I went in originally with feathers and put feathers all around the Christmas tree, and then I came back with a Dollar Tree boa and I put that around it, and it's gonna look really, really crazy, like right there. Look how fluffy and everything. But what I did was I sprayed it with the 377. I sprayed the paper down there with 377, and I put some iridescent glitter on it, and I rolled it onto the feathers. And when the feathers and the 377 gets together, it makes this look like a furry tree. It doesn't look like it's feathers. It just looks like it's a furry tree. And then I went in with iridescent beading, and I went in with also some of the diamonds, and I put all over the tree, and the topper is feathers. And so this is my second favorite. But guys, like I said, you tell me down in the description box which one is your favorite and which one would you recreate, and what colors are you going to have for this Christmas. So guys, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you to the moon and back again. And don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like, and share. And until next time guys, I love you. Bye bye. I almost forgot, fam. I really would like for you to do me this big favor. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old, and I really want to have 50,000 subscribers on my 50th birthday. So if you can, share this video with at least 5 people. And if you know someone that does not have a YouTube channel yet, sign them up so they can and get them to become a part of our YT family. I would love to reach 50,000 on my 50th birthday. So that's what I want for my birthday present, guys. So please go ahead, share it with 5 people. Ask those 5 people to become a part of our family so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers.